Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. On this channel I give review about skincare and hair care products. So today I would like to discuss more about some skincare products, whitening oil. So in this video I will give you the best top 5 whitening oil that we have. Before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You all know that we have different types of whitening oil in the market, but in this video I will give you my top 5 best whitening oil. This oil helps to whiten the skin, and it also helps to clear dark spots and do other certain things on the skin. Watch this video to the end so that you will see the best out of all. So we are starting from number 5. The number 5 is Murudela whitening oil. You can see this product, Murudela whitening oil. This product is very good on the skin. This oil is very good. It has face cream, it has body lotion, but you see this oil, the oil is very good. It's an extra whitening oil. It also helps to clear off dark spots. While the number 5 is Lily White Arabian whitening oil. Lily White Arabian whitening oil. This Lily White Arabian whitening oil helps to whiten the skin without adding cream. You can use this oil as your cream. You know, some people don't like to use body lotion on their skin. You can use this oil. You can apply it directly. This Lily White helps to give you that whitening you need on your skin. The number 3 is Jedat Gold. You can see it, the almighty Jedat Gold. This product is very good. It is formulated for only white skin, which means if you have dark skin, chocolate skin, you can't use this product. It's for those who has white, yellowy skin, that they are the only one that can use it. And this Jedat Gold is very good on the skin. My number 2 on the list is KE half cast oil. You can see this oil. I don't know what they put on this product. You can see everything works. See, these two colors can never join together. If you try to mix them, they can never join together. So this oil works very well. This oil, you can use it without cream. You can apply it directly to your skin. It is very good. You can see it. KE half cast oil. It's very good on the skin. The two contents inside can never mix together. So I don't know what they use in producing this product, but it's very good on the skin. Why the number 1 is Majesty oil. You can see it. I know most of you know this product called Majesty oil. Majesty oil works very well. Majesty oil is 5-in-1 oil. It helps to target dark spots, even skin tone, white complexion. So this Majesty oil is very good. So there are so many other products on the market, so many different type of whitening oil, but these 5 are listed here are the best for me. They are the top 5 for me. So if you have used any of these products, give us the review on the comment section. Tell us how the product works. Tell us the side effect, the benefits, the things that you notice on this body oil that I just mentioned on this video. Just tell us what you notice on this oil. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.